Hello everyone, this is Patrick, Comics and Collectibles, and today I am trying something a little different. I have never attempted to do a repair on camera. Normally what I would do is make the repair and then I will film and show what had been repaired. So there may be a lot of, well, I'm not going to say maybe, there will definitely be a lot of mistakes in this video, more so than usual, but trying new things. All right, so let's see how this goes. There will probably also be a lot of cuts and editing done to this to take out some of the footage that is not needed for the video. But let's jump right into it, folks. All right, you probably saw the video I did about the brake. I will film that maybe 3 or 4 months ago. I'm just getting back around to this. Oh, and by the way, I will be getting back to my mini colored land series of figures that I am painting and customizing, but I wanted to get this done. It's just been laying around in a box, so I want to get this done, and so that's less I have to worry about. All right, let's get into this, folks. This is the absolute Carnage figure, and as you can see, I already did some repair. Okay, I gotta check the camera because it's above my head. I can't really look at what I'm filming, so hopefully I'm in the frame. But I did this. Where's that pointer? I did this right after it was broken, and that was all I had time to do. And okay, I think I did this with super glue. Yeah, I think it was just super glue. Don't look like I used baking soda on it. So what I'm going to do is, for the rest of the repair, I will be using this. Can we see that? Can you see it? Yep. This is a compound. I will be combining both of these. So let me pause this camera while I mix these together, and I'll be right back. On second thought, before I mix that, because once it's mixed, I have a limited amount of minutes to get it shaped and get it in place before it hardens. So let's talk about what else needs to be repaired. All right, I am on camera. Yep. A couple of his digits were broken off and lost. I can't find them, so I will be fabricating 2 digits for this hand. And as you can see right there, that arm was broken off, so I will be repairing that. And this blade arm was broken off. Well, not blade arm, but this blade was broken off, and so I have to repair this. Now, the culprit behind the brake was the base. Can you see it? Yep, there it is. I did not want to permanently attach the figure to the base, and I was trying to figure out a way to do that. So what I did was I inserted, I glued these 2 pieces. Can you see the other one right there? I glued these white things. Those are wires. They're coated wires. So what I did was I glued these 2 wires to the feet, drilled holes into the base, and that allowed me to remove the figure when I wanted to. But what happened was the glue gave way, and that allowed the figures to just fall off. So I'm going to repair the figure, and then I'll either re-glue these to the feet, or I will drill into the feet and insert the wires. We'll see how things go. Now let me go ahead and mix up this epoxy. All right, folks, I am back. I've mixed up my epoxy, and I'm trying to shape this thumb. Am I on the camera? No. Okay, let's move this over a little. Somebody tell me if I get off camera. Trying to work with this stuff before it gets hard. All right, I think that looks a little bit like a thumb. Maybe turn it that way a little bit. Smooth this out. And by the way, folks, this is not a how-to channel. I am not an expert at this, and I'm still learning, so this is not to show or tell anyone else how to do this. This is more to show you how I do it. But if you want to attempt to do this, feel free to do so. Once I get good enough, I will start doing how-to videos. But until then, this is how I do it. Come on, get in there. All right, I don't know if I can attach this finger. I guess I need some type of setup so that I can film with my phone and also be able to monitor what I'm filming. I guess if and when the channel gets bigger and it starts generating some income for me, maybe I can afford to get something like that. All right, I think I got it attached. Stay on, stay on. All right, if this does not work, it's not the end of the world. What I will do is I will let this piece of epoxy clay dry, and then I will attach it. I really wanted to do it. Okay, that's not working, so I'll go with plan B. Let me go ahead and just shape it. Get off, get off. Can you see what I'm doing? Barely. Let's get over here. So let me shape it a little bit. Okay, how are those? Where we at? Yeah, we on the camera. Trying to get that same shape, or shape close to that. Let's see, let's get a bend in that finger. That's gonna have to do. All right, so I'm gonna let that dry. Now, let's attach this arm. And I was going to use my come off. I was going to use my glue for this, but instead, since I have so much of this epoxy clay here, I'm going to use this instead. It's going to mean a lot of cleanup, but hopefully it will work for me. Whoa, 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 don't move, don't move. Don't do that. Okay. What I'm going to do here is just go ahead and, all right, let's try this another way. me just attach it, set it in place. I'm on camera, there I am. Set it in place. And I'll come back later and clean up all the excess. That's not right. All right, folks, this is not going to work. I can't get it lined up properly, so I will have to glue it after all. All right, I'll come back to that. Now, another thing I need to do is at least get this semi-attached to the arm so it will be easier to glue it in place. Okay, I'm on the camera. I think this, something is not right. Okay. Is it that way? Nope, it's got to be this way. All right, that's not working for me either. So let's go here. All right, folks, I'm going to take a break here. This is taking up too much film, and that's going to be more editing to have to do. So let me pause and I'll be back. All right, folks, I had to stop the camera while I did some work on this. Let me show you what I have done. I can't move it because it's the epoxy clay is drying right now. I super glued the metal rods to both of the feet. Is that on camera? Of the foot? Yeah, it's on camera. I super glued those, and then I applied some epoxy clay underneath the foot and attached it to the metal rod also. Hopefully that'll be enough to keep that metal rod attached to the foot. We'll see once it dries. Let's see. Now I'm still waiting. Yeah, I'm still waiting on the fingers. These are my fingers here. Waiting for those to dry. Then I'll attach the best looking one to the hand right here. And then all that leaves is for me to attach this blade to the arm. And that'll be done. So while I give that time to dry, let me find something else to do. But I'll be back, folks, and show you the results. Thanks for watching. Bye.